Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. A very good morning to all of you and very warm welcome in my video. Now I am giving you a very short recap of your previous lecture, which will help you to understand our today's lecture. Okay, our previous lecture was common types of operating system. Okay, we learned about command line interface, menu and menu driven interface. What was the command line interface? Before starting the command line interface, I would like to explain what is operating system. Okay, what is operating, girls, what are the common types of operating system and why it become needs to divided into three parts. Okay, there are three parts or three types of operating system based on the ways of interaction with computer interface. Clear, girls? First one was command line interface. What was the command line interface? Commands are given to the computer with keyboard. It is based on textual input. The user types the command and presses the enter key to execute it. Clear? It was very difficult to use because users have to remember the commands. Clear, girls? Two commonly used operating system that are CLI are DOS, Disk Operating System, and Unix. Clear? DOS and Unix are the common types of command line interface. These are the further types of command line interface or common types of operating system. Clear, girls? Now, what was the DOS? I explained to you already, and I'm again repeating it. Okay, clear? What is DOS? DOS was the most popular CLI. CLI means command line interface operating system. DOS displays the prompt to enter the command. Users must know the syntax of the command. It is a single user and single task operating system. Clear? So I told you about the examples of operating system, examples of DOS. Okay, what was the examples and their description? DIR, first of all, DIR display the content on current directory folder, and then format D was format the D drive, and CD picks, CD stands for change directory when makes the big picks current directory. Clear, girls? It was the recap of command line interface. Now, the turn of menu driven interface. What is menu driven interface? We should understand what is menu driven interface. Sorry, Unix तो रह ही गया हमारा. तो Unix, what is the Unix? It is a multi-user tasker. Okay, multi-user CLI operating system introduced in 1969. It allows multiple users to run different programs at the same time. Unix was developed for the use of on large computer system. Clear? Now, menu driven interface. What is menu driven interface? Menu driven interface presents a menu on the screen. Users make a choice and then the next menu appears. Clear? Novels, NetWare and ProDOS is the examples of menu driven interface. Novels NetWare that was used in past. Okay, that was used in past, and ProDOS used in some Apple computers. Clear, girls? Now we should know what is graphical interface, graphical user interface. Okay, it is our today's topic, graphical users interface. We will learn about graphical user interface. So I am explaining in very simple words. Graphical users interface is a graphical interface for computer users to interact with computer. Okay, it is used Windows icon, menu and pointers, and there are written on the board. There are three examples of graphical users interface. What are three examples? First example is Macintosh operating system. It will be pronounced as Macintosh. Clear, girls? MACIN, Macintosh, Macintosh operating system, and Linux operating system. Then the turn of Windows operating system. You know, in our every personal computers we use Windows. Okay, currently I am using Windows 8, and most of the people using Windows 7, Windows same like this. Clear, girls? Now we have to learn about graphical users interface. So I am going to write some graphical users interface features. Okay, girls? So you should note down with me. Clear? I am removing. Write some features of. There are some features of graphical user interface. Okay, so what are the features of graphical user interface? Graphical user interface is a graphical interface. First one is graphical user interface is a graphical interface for computer user. For computer user. Yeah. Next one is it uses Windows icons, menu and pointer. It uses Windows icons, menu and pointer. Here, next feature is Windows is a rectangular portion of monitor in which information is displayed. Okay, Windows is a rectangular portion of monitor in which information displayed. Okay, clear? Icons are graphical symbol that represents a file, folders, program, device, etc. Icons are, what are icons to make a choice in menu using pointing device such as mouse. Okay, to perform a task, the users has to select to perform a task. The users has to select icons to make choice in menu using. Okay, a pointing device such as pointing device. So which is pointing device? Such as a mouse. Clear, girls? So these are examples, then we will write the examples. Okay, so what are the examples? These are the examples of GUI. This is graphical user interface. Okay, Macintosh operating system, Linux operating system and Windows operating system. Clear, girls? So graphical user interface, I am repeating these features which is written on your board, whiteboard. You should clearly understand about the features of graphical user interface. Okay, some advantages and disadvantages are already written on your books on page number 41. Clear? Advantages and disadvantages are written. I am going to write here advantages and disadvantages are written on your page number. Page number 41. Okay. Graphical user interface is a graphical interface for computer users to interact with computer. It uses windows, icons, menus and pointers. Clear? Windows is a rectangular portion of a monitor in which information is displayed. Icons is a graphical symbol that represents a file, folder, programs, device, etc. To perform a task, the user has to select icons or make a choice in menus using a pointing device such as mouse. So, I am going to describe the advantages and disadvantages of graphical user interface, which it displays on whiteboard. These are the features of graphical user interface, and now I am going to explain advantages of graphical user interface. Okay, first advantage of graphical user interface is much easier to learn and use. Clear? Second one is there is no need to memorize the commands. Okay. Number 3 is allows users to run more than one program at the same time. And 4.1 is most of the GLU nahi, it is GUIs. Okay, most of the graphical user interface provide good help facilities. Clear? Many application programs also use a similar interface, so it is easy to use a new program. Clear? And there are very few and there are only two disadvantages of command line interface. Okay, sorry, graphical user interface. Clear, girls? So what are these disadvantages? These are takes up a lot of memory. Clear? It takes up a lot of memory. And second number is needs faster computer as compared to other interfaces. Clear? It needs faster computer and it needs lot of memory. There are only two disadvantages of graphical user interface. Okay. Now, what are the examples of graphical user interface? Macintosh operating system, Linux and Windows. What is Macintosh operating system? Mac. This is short form of Macintosh is Mac. Okay. Mac OS means operating system is a series of operating system developed by Apple Incorporation for their Macintosh computers. Okay, it was introduced in 1984 with the original Macintosh computer and has graphical user interface. Clear? The latest version is Mac OS X. It is Unix based user friendly operating system. There are some specializations or specialized versions of Mac OS used to devices such as iPhone, iPad, iPod and new Apple TV. Clear? Figure number 2.5 is drawn on your page number 41. You can open your books and see the picture. Clear? Now, what is Linux operating system? Linux is free open source operating system. You know, girls, what is free open source? We read in previous chapter number 1 at page number 31. You can see the page number 31. There is written open source software. Sorry. Okay, it is a computer software that is available in the form of source code that allows users to study, change and improve. Okay, now I'm coming back on Linux operating system. Linux is a free open source operating system introduced by Linux Torvalds in 1991. It is faster but difficult to use as compared to Macintosh and Windows operating system. It is not popular operating system. Clear? Linux started the development of Linux operating system and laid its foundations. Clear? Millions of programs around the world work on Linux to improve it. Okay, why people are improving it freely? Because it is open source operating system. Clear? Its source code is freely available on internet. Programs can view, edit and publish. For why people are doing this? For an improvement or improved version. Okay, now next one is Windows operating system. What is Windows? Windows are very commonly used in these days in our laptops, in our even in our mobile phones. Okay, Windows operating system. Windows is the most popular operating system used on microcomputers. We are using microcomputers. Clear? It was developed in it was developed by Microsoft. Many different versions of Windows operating system were developed and used successfully in the past. Some of some of these versions are Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, 8, 10, and latest version is Windows 10. Windows 10 interface is already shown in your books at page number 42. Clear, girls? I hope you enjoyed my lecture, and keep learning, girls. Keep enjoying and stay safe, stay home, and thank you so much for listening me, understanding me. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz, girls. Goodbye.